My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site rplnd14.com. RPLND14 is a dangerous website that may suddenly start attacking your Google Chrome and other browsers. RPLND14 tries to make people click on the special Allow button, supposedly to start downloading some file, but in reality, clicking on the Allow button is obviously a very serious mistake, because in this case the browser may be hijacked and infected. People may start receiving the great portion of multiple ads in the right bottom part of the screen, and also they may be brought to some other deceptive content. If the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you should implement certain urgent browser fixes. For this purpose, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, then find the Permissions area, click on Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. You need to remove this RPLND14 from the list, and you should remove other junk sites of a similar nature from this list. After all these malicious sites are deleted, the problem should be fixed, even though I strongly recommend that you perform additional research of your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. You may get the fresh version of it on the website combocleaner.com. So install the application and begin scanning your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.